Hey guys, and welcome back to another motivational clean with me. In my last extreme clean with me, I was tackling the kitchen, and this week I'm deep cleaning my lounge. So, first up, you guys know I like to have a podcast on to listen to in the background. I'll link the one I'm listening to at the moment. Also, I've been making this iced green tea drink, which I'll share down below if you're interested. It tastes so good, especially in this hot weather. First up, cleaning wise, I wanted to sprinkle some bicarb of soda onto the sofas just to deodorize them and get rid of any unwanted smells. So I wanted to leave this to work while I carried on with my other cleaning bits. So I just sprinkled it all over the chair and the main sofa. Next up, it was time to tackle the leftover ironing. I do have a love-hate relationship with the ironing. I don't know about you guys, but I really have to be in the mood to do it. I usually do it when I'm watching TV at night, but I did have a bit left over from the night before, and although I wasn't feeling doing it, I knew it had to get done, so I could just put it away and it was out the way for the week. Once the ironing was done, it was time to clean the rest of the lounge, starting with the TV unit. I usually clean clockwise, starting by the door. That way I know I've covered most places, working this way. To clean, I like going in first with the Pledge Fluffy Duster just to get all the dust off. I love these as they work well at getting into tight corners and removing the dust quickly and efficiently. Then I go in with two Spontex cloths from the same pack. These are from the kitchen kit pack, and I use the Method multi-surface spray with the blue cloth to wipe down any surfaces that are not perspex glass and mirrors. And then for the other areas, which includes the mirrors, perspex and glass, I use the yellow cloth with the white vinegar. This is actually a separate pack of cloths. You may have seen me use these in the kitchen, but I have two sets, one for the kitchen and then the other set I use for the bedrooms and the lounge. I recently changed up our gin area and bought this round gold tray from Primark to store most of our gins on, and I really like how it looks now. But I have to admit, I'm not really a drinker, but I have become a bit of a gin lover and I do enjoy the odd one now and again. Ben is an avid gin lover and his favourite is the Hendrix and the Brooklyn gin. That's the one in the copper and blue bottle. But I'd love to know in the comments down below if you are a gin drinker, what your favourite gins are and also mixes. Next, it was on to cleaning the patio doors and all around this area. I tend to leave the hoovering until last, but I do like to hoover in all the awkward bits with the smaller attachments on the Dyson as I go along and clean those areas. Generally, I do try and clean the glass on the patio doors and windows every time I do the lounge. And just recently, my mum and I cleaned all the outside of the windows while it's been so nice outside. This is a job I always do in the summer, just so everything's clean and cleared up and ready for the autumn. Okay, next it was on to hoovering up the bicarb from the sofas. I also decided to take all the seat cushions off too and give everything a real good deep clean. I always find this is something we forget about doing, but it can kind of get dirty under there, especially if you're eating on the sofa and things like that. So it's good to take everything out once in a while and give it a nice spring clean. I will be doing a few autumn and Halloween themed videos coming up in September, as well as an autumn and Halloween decorate with me, so keep a lookout for those. But now back to the last area in my lounge to clean around the edge of the lounge was this side table and also the skirting, and not forgetting the door too. Then I just went around and cleaned the lampshade and emptied the bins and just gave my laptop cushion a wipe down. I did go back to cleaning the coffee tables, but you'll see that in the next clip because by this time Ben had got home and we were having dinner first. So I waited until Sully had gone to bed and then I got to work before bed, just cleaning around this area. So we'd already deep cleaned our carpet on this patch where we keep the coffee table. So I just wanted to move the rug back to how it was and just give it a quick hoover. And then I went ahead and cleaned all the two coffee tables. These actually come together. They are from Next. I'll pop a link to them down below. I think they do them in a lighter wood as well, but they match our TV unit. I always like to buy fresh flowers for our coffee table and also the kitchen, as they just brighten up everything, and I get mine mostly from Lidl as they do so many pretty roses and just selections of flowers that are affordable too. So if you are looking for really nice flowers that do last a week, then I recommend going to Lidl, and also Aldi do some nice ones as well. Okay, lastly, I just went ahead and hoovered the rest of the lounge, and then I mentioned before we had deep cleaned our carpet. Well, I've been loving using this Vax carpet cleaning machine to do it with. It's so quick and easy. All you do is just add the carpet cleaner mixed with warm water to the detachable unit, and then you just turn it on and clean away. I do recommend doing this just before you go to bed or if you're going away, just because the carpet is wet and it does need time to dry. However, we've been really impressed with how well our carpet has come up. It is so much cleaner, and I'm definitely going to be using this on our hallway stairs and also in my office. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if it inspired and motivated you to do a clean with me. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I will see you guys then. Take care. Bye.